Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review tools, workshop equipment, DIY gadgets, and everything that helps you get more done for less money. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow and allows us to bring you more tool reviews, tests, and comparisons. Now let's take a closer look at the PARKSIDE 12V Cordless LED Light, part of the PARKSIDE X12V Team battery platform and is designed to provide portable lighting wherever you need it. Whether you're working in the garage, repairing your car, checking electrical installations, working inside cabinets, or dealing with a power outage, this light is built to make those tasks easier. Because it's cordless, you can take it virtually anywhere without searching for a power outlet or dragging extension cords around. The lightweight design also makes it easy to keep in a toolbox, vehicle, workshop drawer, or emergency kit. Who is it for? This light is ideal for DIY enthusiasts, homeowners, mechanics, electricians, hobbyists, campers, anyone already using the PARKSIDE 12V battery system. It's especially useful for close-range work where you need focused illumination rather than lighting up an entire room. If you regularly inspect engines, work under sinks, inside electrical panels, or in dark corners of your workshop, this tool makes a lot of sense. The positives. Let's talk about what I liked. First, portability. The cordless design gives you complete freedom of movement, which is something you immediately appreciate when working in tight spaces. Second, the LED brightness. The light output is more than enough for inspection work, repairs, maintenance tasks, and general workshop use. Another feature I really like is the adjustable head. Being able to point the beam exactly where you need it makes a huge difference when working on detailed tasks. I also appreciate that it uses the same battery platform as the rest of the PARKSIDE 12V range. If you already own compatible batteries, it's a very affordable addition to your collection. And finally, LED technology means low power consumption and long battery runtime. The negatives. Of course, no tool is perfect. The first limitation is that this is not a floodlight. If you're expecting to illuminate an entire garage or large work area, you'll probably need a larger work light. The beam is designed for focused lighting rather than wide area coverage. Another downside is that battery and charger may not be included, depending on the package you buy. For users already invested in the 12V platform, that's not a problem, but first-time buyers should keep that in mind. Practical and affordable cordless work light for inspections, repairs, maintenance, emergency situations, or everyday workshop use, it does exactly what it's designed to do. If you found this review useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest PARKSIDE reviews, tool tests, and DIY content. See you in the next video.